Do you want to become a profitable trader? Hi, I'm CA Rudramurthy, author, trader, and trainer. Welcome you to Easy Money Show. Yesterday, Nifty having hit the all-time high levels and having crossed 15,915 on spot, and on futures having easily taken off 15,940. Today, SGX is indicating another 35 to 40 point gap up open, and irrespective of Asian markets which are weak, our markets are saying we are on our own trajectory, and 16,000 now is on kissing distance from current levels. Yesterday, in fact, it already made in futures an attempt towards that 16,000 levels, and intraday, if you see, we were hardly 25-30 points away from those 16,000 levels on future. However, spot is also more or less in a very closing distance, not even about 50 to 80 points from current level for Nifty to touch 16,000 levels. It is easy today for all storytellers to tell Nifty will touch 16,000 when the same storytellers were talking about Nifty will take time, it will fall back, we have sold call options and all that. Today people know what is research and what is storytelling, because I don't have to tell anything. The real results are speaking for itself. And let me tell you, it is easy now to tell that banks will outperform, real estate will outperform, Nifty will hit 16,000. But telling it before at least 2 weeks back, that is what we call as true research. And I'm so happy for a lot of people who have made good money. In fact, their return on investment with capital invested, if you calculate, they are far, far better than many people who show their profit screenshots, their back office reports without telling what is the capital invested, because they don't want to show the ROI. What is the use of making profit of 10 lakh, 20 lakh when the ROI is less than 1% and you have invested capital of 40, 50 crore? How many of them watching this program has a capital of 40, 50 crore? And do you think people started market with a capital of 40, 50 crore, those who have even today? Definitely not. So people have to learn how one can move from a small capital to large capital over a period of time, and what strategies I use in my trading is what I make people learn in the programs and in the courses what they attend. It is not like I use a different strategy and I teach something else. Then what's the use of people in terms of making money? It is only me making money and others are not. In fact, today you are seeing screenshots of people who have taken the clues from my program, who have put their screenshot and not my screenshots. Now then, I want to tell you, mid cap IT have seen a huge outperformance, and stocks like Tata Elxsi, L&T Info, these have all gone up in a huge way. And there has been a re-rating of these IT mid caps because large caps have also performed fabulously. Yesterday even results of Wipro was blockbuster, and now after TCS, Infosys, Wipro, the whole eye of market is on HDFC Bank results, which will come tomorrow. And let me tell you, irrespective of what the results are, I expect outperformance and I expect up move even for HDFC Bank. And I'm telling this because the positioning of HDFC Bank is more important to me, and I see definitely no shorting opportunity whatsoever. We are in a clear parabolic up move, and no doubt this parabolic up move cannot stay for long, but the last part of the move will be very furious and ferocious, which will give more gains. Also, let me tell you, real estate, especially Godrej Property, DLF, and in mid cap real estate, you are seeing stocks like Shobha Developers, Kolte Patil, Purvankara, Oberoi Realty, Ajmera Realty, all of these giving huge returns, and we are nowhere close to the end of real estate rally. It has just begun, and there is huge way to go still on these stocks which I just now mentioned. I'm sure if you rewind and then rewrite these names, you have lot more queues, not just one call per day, but much more than that. And all these are told to you much before the move is happening in the market, and not after everything at 8 o'clock saying why market is now closer to all-time high. And let me now tell you, ITC will be the star stock of the day, and I want to make a chart check of ITC with clear levels and what next. And in fact, yesterday I tweeted during live market hour on ITC. So let us just see the stock ITC, and here we go. Let me just show to you the ITC stock performance, and this is a daily chart which I'm using. Look at last 2 days, very important, and look at the volumes also for last 2 days. There has been a support of around 200 which has been taken on ITC, and last 2 days there has been clear accumulation in ITC, and let me tell you, it has already crossed this one important hurdle at around 206. So this resistance which was at 206, this is ITC spot level I am referring to. It has already crossed the 206, and now stock is just making the move on the upside. Now where can it reach? Yes, the first target on ITC will be somewhere at around 214. This is where ITC can just make a move towards. So I'm just putting that. So these levels of 214 is where ITC can first make an attempt, and then it will make an attempt here which is at around 219. So 214 and 219 is where ITC can attempt. And let me tell you, the easiest trade, and if people want to make this kind of a trade, it is you go and sell put options of ITC of the strike price of, let us say, 200, and ITC will not come below this strong support of 200. Sell the put option of ITC of 200 or below strike price, and you can make easy money. And let me tell you this, even here risk management is important. You can't be right 10 out of 10 calls, but then overall you can definitely make money, and this is what my levels on ITC are. Now the question comes, many ask me, sir, can I go ahead and buy call options of ITC because my capital is very small? Let me tell you, when you do options, especially on the buy side, you have to catch not only the direction, you have to catch also the momentum, and learning how option moves is very important. I've done already a lot of programs to you on profitable option series which are there in the playlist. If you can watch profitable options from day one to now around 10 plus episodes, each one of them in an order scientifically teaches you the option trade. And option trading has been made a child's play, the two a child's play, absolutely free for people who watch my programs regularly. And also people ask, how can you tell during live market hour like yesterday when you tweeted ITC will move up? How can you say right now that banks will outperform? How can you say 2 weeks before, when no one wanted this call, that Nifty will hit 16,000 levels? Yesterday I made a statement, Nifty will test all-time highs and it will cross 15,915 on spot and 15,940 on futures. And look at the money people have made, and the screenshots of all those followers of mine which I have put in Twitter. And it is not my screenshot, it is screenshots of my students and participants and my fans, which is my success. And seeing their profit screenshot, I want each one of you to tell you that if they can make, why can't you make? You can also make it. And tomorrow I'm starting for MPME day one program for full day, 11 o'clock to 5:30, 6 o'clock. You will have non-stop learning of market profile. Sunday you will have the second class, and next Sunday you will have the third class. 3 full day program, complete market profile learning, 2 powerful trading systems, especially for intraday traders, it is a must. And thirdly, risk management, which is vital for making anyone from a losing trader to profitable trader. You have to take care of risk management. So complete market profile, trading system plus risk management coming to you all in a 3 full day program called Market Profile Made Easy. Only limited number of seats I just want to give, and this happens only once in a year. If you want to be part of that very powerful market profile made easy program, and it's a 3 full day program, it is happening online, and if you want to register for the same, do call my office immediately. The number is given in the description below, and you can also just be part of that fabulous learning of market profile made easy. For today's program, I've given you a lot of stocks in real estate, IT outperformance, what to expect from HDFC Bank, and also let me tell you ITC levels with chart analysis has been given. I want each one of you to give an in detail feedback without fail down in the comment section, and also do join hands with me to spread this right financial literacy to as many people as possible and encourage more and more programs like this. If you are really getting benefited from this, do forward in WhatsApp, Telegram, and in all social media places, and make this India a more rich and a beautiful country with right financial literacy. Thank you so much for watching. See you all this Saturday, Sunday, and next Sunday in a special 3 full day market profile made easy program. Thank you so much for watching. Have a profitable trading day. See you all. Take care. Bye bye.